How to fix Twitch not loading on an Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Twitch not loading on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here type Twitch and then click on it, and now click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and after that just click draw over other apps and disable it. Make sure it's disabled, and now just open permissions and allow all of those permissions here, and that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. Just restart your phone and try again, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.